chances have been in this car park? Maybe 40 years. So we're going to have a walk round. I want to go to HMV. Two sets of lift, that one and this one. I've chosen this one. As long as I remember it at all. I'll find the HMV anyway. It's a lot bigger than Milton Keynes. So you can see the lift tower over there. We'll just walk to the other side and we're going to go. Section. I'm not sure how to pay here because I didn't get a ticket and I didn't read the thing properly because there's a car behind me, so I suspect we've got to pay on the exit at the barrier. We'll find out in a minute. I did however get to HMV and I bought 4 posters and a frame, which I'll show you guys later.